It was one of the most dramatic moments of Libya's revolution. The killing of General Abdel Fattah Younes, a longtime friend of Gaddafi, who was the first senior official to defect and join the rebellion. But it did not save his life. He was killed in mysterious circumstances after being recalled from the front line to Benghazi for questioning on, quote, military matters. A military court found 11 people guilty in connection with the killing. It also charged Mustafa Abdel Jalil with misuse of power and committing acts that would harm Libyan unity. At the time, he was the leader of the now defunct National Transitional Council and overall commander of the revolutionary forces. But the lawyer for the Younes family says the case is being dragged out.
The military prosecution gave up on the case. It was referred to the criminal court and the prosecutor's general office. If this civil court says it's not within its jurisdiction, it cannot return to the military court and the case will be lost. And that's their goal.
Under Libyan law, the trial should be held in a military court because Abdel Fattah Younes was the operational commander of the rebels. Certainly most Libyans do want to know who was behind the killing of the general. But many will also be watching closely the trial to see whether in the new Libya there could be free and fair justice. The killing has cast a shadow on Libya's revolution, and it continues to feed an atmosphere of mistrust. For some, the general was a hero, for others, a traitor. But good or bad, the questions need to be answered.
This is what we did the revolution for transparency and credibility, and it is time for us to know, and this will be planting the seeds for what is coming in the future for every person who takes a position in Libya.
Many feel that reaching a verdict is a must for a country determined to move on and bridge some of the divides. Hoda Abdel Hamid, Al Jazeera, Benghazi.